how to add celebrities on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're confused about how to add celebrities on your Snapchat, you're in the right place. In this quick videos, I'll show you exactly how to do it, whether you're using iOS or Android. So let's jump right in. First, you need to simply open up your Snapchat app. Once you're here, look at the top of your screen for the search bar and simply tap on it. Once you're in the search bar, you need to scroll down until you see the follow a snap star option. If a celebrity you want to add is not listed here, don't worry, you can search for them directly. Here in the search bar, you can simply type the name of the celebrity, and once you have done that, you can see the celebrity has now appeared. Now, how to know whether they are celebrities or not? First, celebrity will have huge amount of followers. As you can see, Kendall Jenner over here has 15.9 million followers. Now, from here, you can know that this profile is genuine. Next, in order to spot a celebrity, you can see a star-like sign right next to their name, and it will be visible in all the celebrities account. From here, you can simply tap on add option, and that's how you can simply add or subscribe to the celebrity in your Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.